Leo! Leo, man, where'd you go? Oh, where did he go? I totally need him to order us some pizzas. Oh, I think I know where he went. I gotta check out the T-Rocket. I gotta get upstairs and see what's going on. Leo, where'd you go, bro? Time to order some pizzas. Oh, dude, you're in the T-Rocket. Come on down. Whoa, that T-Rocket is fast. I better get out and see what Mikey needs. Hey, Mikey, what's going on? Dude, I'm like starving. We totally need to order pizzas. Stat! Hey, Mikey, you might not want to be standing on that manhole cover, you know? They can be dangerous. Oh, good call, bro. I'll just move over to the side here. Don't want to fall into any sewers when I don't have to. Now, what do you say about getting those pizzas going? Oh, yeah! No pizza until your training is done. Yes, Master Splinter. Totally. We'll get back to training. Leo. I've got a headache. I love this drain pipe swing. Good for a surprise attack. No one see me coming. Whoa, how you feeling, Mikey? Master Splinter really got you good there, huh? Yeah, he always comes out of nowhere and clobbers me, man. So not cool. You know, I think he's gone now. So, what do you say about chowing on some pizza? Dude, do you hear something? Must be the wind. Oh, shh. He will not see this one coming either. Oh, what happened? Dude, Mikey, we need to focus on training. Master Splinter's getting really irritated. Obviously, he's clobbering you every time he gets a chance. Oh man, I know, tell me about it, dude. My stomach's growling, I just gotta get some pizza. Well, you better stay focused, because Master Splinter's gonna keep giving you those headaches. Guaranteed. How can I train without pizza? Oh, he will learn to train without pizza. Guaranteed. Bonsai! When will Mikey learn? Master Splinter is the greatest surprise ninja to foil all pizza eating plans in history. Okay, so here's what I did. So I told the pizza delivery dude to bring the pizza to the water tower balcony. I don't think there's any way Master Splinter will find out I'm eating pizza on the balcony. Oh, what a righteous idea, man! Oh, he don't know me very well, do he? Mikey does not even see this one coming. I will get him again. I'm gonna get some pizza, dude. I don't think so. You got the foot. Oh, when will you learn? Oh, Master Splinter, my apologies for trying to get totally awesome pizza and not focus on training. I'm ready to start work and after we're done training, then I'll go eat pizza till I'm sick. Very good idea, Mikey. That is the way of the ninja. Reward after training. Oh, well, I'm just gonna be going now, and I'll see you later. Oh, got you one last time. Oh, I just had to. He was standing right on the cover. Oh man, my feet are so big and pink I had to stomp on the button. That was a good one. Ouch, dude.
Hey AllToyCollector fans, I hope you enjoyed this video done by my husband, and I was wondering, did you like how Master Splinter was keep on knocking over Michelangelo? Please write yes or no in the comment section. And also, please remember to subscribe and like this video. Thank you! Thanks for watching, and please click on any of these 4 pictures to watch another awesome video. And also, please tell your friends and family about my channel. Thank you!